Did you know there's only one time in the entire Bible where animals had to fast and pray? This is that incredible story. Jonah didn't want to preach to Nineveh, the most evil city on earth with 120,000 people, but God made him go anyway. His sermon was only 8 words. 40 more days and Nineveh will be overthrown. Something amazing happened. Everyone believed immediately. The message spread like wildfire from poor people to rich people, all the way to the king himself. The king was so scared he took off his royal clothes and sat in dirt and ashes. Then he made the strangest decree in history. Not only did every person have to fast and pray, but every single animal too. Cows, sheep, and goats all had to wear scratchy sackcloth and cry out to God. Picture it, an entire city of animals dressed in mourning clothes, mooing and bleating prayers to heaven. God saw their hearts and spared the city. Jonah got angry, his prophecy didn't come true. This remains the only mass animal fast in all of Scripture.